Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add reflection or drop shadow to a text box in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and select a text box first. Now select this format option and choose here style option and scroll up, and here you will find this reflection option, check mark here, and see this reflection now added. Now you can change reflection opacity. You can increase or decrease. I'll make it 100%, and see this text box reflection now added. Also let this text box reflection same way, and see this, you can color it. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.